Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport power steering problems and discusses commonly documented situations where steering assistance may feel reduced, inconsistent, or different from normal operation. Power steering concerns in the EcoSport can present as increased steering effort, unusual steering behavior at low speeds, or changes in steering response during parking or turning. This topic is explained in a general context because steering systems and their behavior can vary by model year, steering configuration, mileage, and maintenance history. In reviewed technical information and service documentation, power steering behavior can be influenced by how steering assistance systems operate under different driving conditions. Some versions of the EcoSport use electrically assisted steering, where system response may change based on vehicle speed, load, or operating conditions. In certain cases, changes in steering feel may indicate a condition that requires inspection rather than an immediate failure. Older vehicles may experience changes related to normal wear, while newer models could still show steering concerns depending on usage and prior service history. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. From a general guidance perspective, steering concerns are typically evaluated through system checks rather than assumptions. Some situations may be resolved through software updates, recalibration, or inspection of steering-related components, while others may require part replacement if a verified fault is found. Steering behavior should always be taken seriously, especially if changes are sudden or progressively worsening. In conclusion, power steering problems in the Ford EcoSport can have multiple explanations depending on vehicle configuration, age, and driving conditions. Each case should be assessed individually to determine whether the behavior reflects normal system operation, wear over time, or a condition that requires corrective action. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.